So we're going to make the Taiwanese cold noodle salad, and we'll start with the sauce. Sauce is again peanut based, so we have peanuts, sesame seeds, sugar, soy sauce, rice vinegar, and water. Very simple. Blend everything together, make it smooth, and that's the dressing for the noodle salad. Next, we'll go on to the ingredients of the different elements of the noodle salad. So with this, very simple. We will make a vegetarian version today, but if you can afford it, get some meat in there, feel free to. Normally you can have like some ham or luncheon meat or like poached chicken breast and just tear it up in shredded. So any of that works, but today we'll keep it simple. The start is the dressing. We'll make an omelette and then cut that into strings. Then cucumber, carrot, they would be lightly seasoned and just put on top with the noodles as a like complement to it. So today just going to use a very simple plain white noodles. Nothing too special about this. You can get them in any Chinese supermarket. Firstly, roasted sesame in. We want to make a peanut butter. Got some roasted sesame to go in now. Sugar in, vinegar, soy sauce, finally just some water for the consistency. Okay, we're done with the blender. Next, I'll cook some noodles. Plenty of salt. Just let that in. That's been 3.5 minutes. What I'm going to do is wash it in cold water, drizzle some sesame oil over, and that will sit on the side. Next, what we're going to make is the egg.
Yep.
Oh, that's just some soy sauce. Just one egg is enough. We'll stick it up with a little bit of salt and soy sauce. Little bit of shallot oil from our pork rice video. Amazing. So we want it thin. We don't want too much color on this. You can turn that off before it's fully set. That just use the residual heat to cook the rest of the egg. Get a nice lovely color like that. That's what we want. Just fold that over once, fold that over another time, set it aside and let it cool. Cucumber, nice and easy. So that's about 2-3 millimeters. That's good enough. And for one portion, really, this is more than enough. Just put it on the side for now. Similarly for carrot, it's a bit harder, so usually for this, I just wash the carrot. If you want to take the skin off, feel free to, but you don't have to. And the carrot is quite hard, so what we're going to do is we want to try to slice it as thinly as possible. More than enough, like that. there. No, the egg noodles. So let's just let's assemble the whole thing. Put some noodles in. So, however much you want. I like this sauce, so I give myself plenty. Okay, it's for ourselves, so make it hearty and big. Okay, and sesame seeds over the top. Tiny bit of sesame oil just for good measure. Tiny bit. Tiny sprinkle of salt. Tiny bit. There we have Taiwanese cold noodle salad with homemade sesame dressing. Put your chopsticks in and then give it a good mixing and put everything in.